Your system is slow, hanging, or not saving files properly on your computer, and you need your system to be faster and smarter. Here are some tips you need to pay attention to. You're welcome to another episode of Digitech Tips on Digivation Network. I'm Anna Hedger. Here is an easy way to delete files you don't need from your PC for a more efficient use of your system that IT technicians do not want you to know. Press the Windows plus R shortcut. It will open a new window. Here, type MRT and click OK. This is your computer native antivirus. Click Next. Do a quick scan and it will fix and check for all types of threats and malware on your computer. Now press Window plus R again, and this time type percent and click OK. This will open a folder. You can select everything and delete them all, as these are the only temporary files that are not useful. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Click on the Startup Apps tab. Here you can see all the programs that start when you boot your PC. You can disable those ones that you do not use. Next, press Windows and type CMD. Right-click and run as admin. Then type SFC / scan now and press Enter. This will repair all the corrupted and buggy files on your computer. Your computer will now be much faster and efficient. Very easy, I must say. For more useful tips like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/digivationnetwork, and connect with us on our social media platforms. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.